The Trade Ideas channel bar contains over 30 channels, with pre-configured, but customizable scans, covering a wide variety of trading styles and opportunities. They are the ideal starting point for new traders. Each channel is made up of alerts, top lists, and multi-strategy windows, as well as charts, enabling you to get started with trading right away. The brand new, docked channel bar version enables you to browse through the different channels, whilst keeping your layout open. And, since each channel opens in its own dock, you can now use multiple channels at the same time. To open additional channels, just head to the toolbar, open the new tab, and select Docked Channel Bar. Browse through the different options, and select a channel that suits your trading style or interest. We have a channel for momentum traders, one that looks for short squeezes, a pre-market, and an after-hours channel, as well as one that focuses on gaps. There are also channels that look at stocks with earnings at different sectors like biotech, energy, metals, or that focus on unusual options activity or unusual volume. In addition to that, we have channels focusing on penny stocks and crypto-related stocks. Try it out. We're sure you'll find the right channel for your trading style. All our preset scans are highly customizable, so you can make them your own as you go along.